Hi dear friends, this is Blender, and let's see today how we can in Blender overlay over some object the PNG image. So let's remove our cube and add mesh to be plane. Okay. Let's rotate it a little bit like this. Now, the very first thing we have to do, we have to go to render properties and change Eevee type of render to cycles, because everything we can do is possible in cycles only. And now I'm going to shading and creating new material. It's good, and this BSDF I will remove. Okay, now let's see, let's add texture, image texture. Okay, and let that image to be our PNG file. Let's find it. Let it be that girl. Okay, let's see how it will be looking like. It's good, but the thing is, the image is not transparent. Yes, we see the black color. It doesn't have to be like this. Let's go to viewport shading. Okay, and now we will add mix shader. Okay, we will add it here, and else we're looking for transparent BSDF, and we have to add diffuse BSDF. Okay, now we have everything we need. This is our mix shader. I will connect shader to surface, and I will connect that color to this color of diffuse BSDF, and BSDF from transparent BSDF I'll connect to upper shader, and from the diffuse with the bottom shader. Okay, now we can see our girl, and alpha let's connect with factorial. I think it's nice, and we can use it in our project. That's it. Thank you. Bye.